Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, we have an incredible strategy that will revolutionize your YouTube journey. We have stumbled upon a channel called Daily Facts Worth, which has been generating a mind-blowing $42,200 in monthly income through their captivating shorts. Get ready to learn how you can create 300 shorts in just 30 minutes, paving the way for your own substantial income stream. Let's start by tapping into the power of Chatgpt, an advanced language model. We will train Chatgpt to generate content that matches our desired style. For me, it's all about crafting intriguing course with two parts. Part 1 will grab viewers' attention and make them curious about part 2. I will have a conversation with ChatGPT sharing my vision. Can you please provide course in 2 parts? Part 1 should ignite curiosity for part 2. Once ChatGPT responds, I will ask for an example. Then I will ask to write it in Excel format. This format allows us to organize our course effectively. We will then copy and paste the response into our Excel sheet. To keep things organized, we will categorize the course under different themes such as boys facts, heartbreak facts, and girls facts. This categorization will give structure to our content creation process. Now that our content is ready, it's time to transform them into captivating shorts using Canva, an amazing online design tool. Visit canva.com and click on Create a Design. Search for mobile video and explore the wide range of templates available. For example, if we are focusing on girls facts, we will choose templates that resonate with our content style. Within the template, we will replace the default text with our thought-provoking quotes. If needed, we will experiment different text styles to find the perfect fit. To ensure the ideal short timing of around 13 seconds, we will duplicate the text and place the second part above the first part. This control our timing keeps viewers engaged. Background music can take our shorts to the next level. We can either upload our own music or choose from the YouTube's extensive library. For perfect timing, we will set the duration of the first part to approximately 9 seconds. This brief pause generates curiosity among viewers. The second part will be kept short. Preview the video to ensure it meets your expectations and then download it in MP4 format. Create videos in bulk, we will utilize an amazing features within the Canva. Go to the Ads section and search for bulk create. Choose the option that suits your needs and select enter data manually. Now comes the exciting part. We'll copy our prepared data from the Excel sheet and paste it into the designated area. This step ensures the accurate import of our content for bulk creation process. Now let's talk about seamlessly connecting part 1, part 2 and theme. In our case, we have chosen Girl Facts theme. By clicking on the first part and selecting the connect, we will link it to the first part. Repeat this process for the other themes. When all parts are successfully connected, a checkmark symbol will indicate the successful connection. In just a matter of minutes, we have created 30 or more high quality shorts, propelling us towards increased income potential. Power of bulk creation and a well-structured workflow will greatly enhance your productivity. Congratulations, you have acquired a powerful strategy to create an astounding number of YouTube shorts in a short amount of time. By incorporating ChatGPT and Canva, you can elevate your content creation game and unlock the remarkable potential of YouTube shorts. Embrace your creativity, follow these steps and prepare to embark an exciting journey of YouTube success. Thank you for joining us today. If you have found this video valuable, please give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Wishing you all the best as you unleash your YouTube shorts success. Stay inspired and keep creating.